found some plants at CES, and I had to stop and talk to Renata Scorsone from Plantaform?
Plantaform, yes. That is
What are we looking at here? We got a big dome, no, a big egg.
Yeah.
This is an audio and video podcast, so you're going to need to describe it in detail.
Okay, no problem. So this is what we like to call the future of indoor gardening. It is the world's first indoor garden to use Fogponics, which sounds kind of weird, but basically what that means is it uses fog to grow plants instead of water or soil.
So misting it all the time?
Exactly. So it's got ultrasonic foggers in the bottom. It is a dome-shaped, egg-shaped device that is fully enclosed, which allows us to be very water efficient because it recycles that water. And it uses 98% less water than traditional gardening methods, and actually 30 to 50% less water than even an aeroponic system, which is where it's spraying the plants.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So you got a bunch of lettuce growing in there right now.
Yeah, you can grow up to 15 different plants all at the same time in this device. So we've got three rows of 5. We do have curated pod packs with very specially curated selections of pre-seeded, non-GMO seeds. It's just like an espresso where you scan the pod pack, you put it in there, and the app does everything for you. It knows exactly how much light to give it, how much nutrients, how much water, and it even reminds you when it needs watering, which, because this is so water efficient, it only needs to be watered every 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Yeah.
So what? I see a door on the side. Is that where you access to get the food out? Or
actually, no.
Oh.
It is a fully enclosed garden, so whenever you've got all the windows on, it does dim the light a little bit, so you don't have these bright LED lights glowing in your house. Some people find that a little bit bright from time to time. So we've got these tinted windows on it that not only dims the light and gives it more of an ambiance, kind of a sophistication, elegance to your house, so like a living piece of furniture, but it also helps us control the humidity and make sure that we're very efficient on the water usage as well. So it is one of the more...
You got to have those windows on to keep the fog inside, right?
But yeah, but the fog doesn't fall out that bad anyway, so it's totally okay, because the fog is being delivered to the roots through that root chamber that's in the center column, so it's getting to the roots before it falls out and cascades down and makes it look beautiful as well.
Oh, okay, so it's not fogging the tops of the plants, it's fogging the roots?
Fogging directly to the roots, and it's delivering that water and the nutrients directly to the roots in an oxygenated environment, so that what that does is it grows the plants a little bit faster and much more consistent yields, because the roots aren't sitting there and potentially rotting in water.
That's what I was thinking
about. Yeah.
So this would be great for an apartment where you can't have an outdoor garden, or maybe you live in a desert where it's really hard to grow things outside.
Canada, like us, where we've only got a very short growing session, this works really great for Canada as well. So you can have like something like cherry tomatoes growing in the middle of winter with some basil and some nice beautiful lettuce.
There you go. So this just won the CES Innovation Awards for Food and Ag Tech, I see.
Yes, we did. We're very excited. That's our new best friend you've got sitting there on the table.
There you go. Yeah. And are these the plant pod packs?
Yeah.
I've got some cherry tomatoes and greens
here. Yeah, a little basil, a little bit of lettuce in that one, and we've got a few different selections. One of our most popular is the cocktail mix. People love that one. You grow the herbs that you want to put in your cocktails, because herbs, you kind of buy them, you end up throwing them out. This is also helping reduce food waste, which is one of our core values of the company, right? We want to make sure that the food is hyper-local, pesticide-free, and you're eating it as you need it, not buying a bunch and then having it go bad in your fridge and then throwing it out. You're not going to get any fresher salad than this.
I was going to be making a caprese salad right here. I get some mozzarella, I'm good to go.
Exactly. This is the one I'm growing at home right now. If I showed you my app, that's the one that's going to show up on it.
Oh, so it's app-based too, of course, so you can watch your plants grow?
Yeah, so I can even pull the app up for you. You picture my kids there, but there's the Plantaform app. Shows that you're growing, and because this is connected to my one at home, you can see that I'm growing the cherry tomato mix. It's been going for 32 days, and I need to water it soon. But yeah.
So do you manually water it, or does it know when to water it?
It tells you when to water it. So it waters the plants on a consistent basis as needed, but you have to refill it every 2 to 3 weeks. And because we've got 5 liters in the bottom and 2 liters in the top, so you just lift this up, fill it at the bottom.
We got to see the fog.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the roots.
There's the roots there, and we've got the water at the top. And there's also a container at the top. This is an extra reservoir. Turn that around for you. So you can put water and nutrients at the top as well.
That is so cool. Now, is this available yet?
Yes, it's literally launching today in the US. So it is available at plantaform.com to purchase right now.
Plantaform.us. Oh, .com. I'm sorry. And what's your price point?
What do you think? No. What do you think it's worth? No. It retails for $4.99 US.
That's actually not bad. That sounds great.
Everything you need for your first harvest, including a lettuce pack. So you get 15 seeds, you get the nutrients, 6 months of nutrients, and everything you need to grow your first harvest.
That sounds fantastic. Thank you very much, Renata.
Thank you very much for dropping by.